All right, as I said, my name's Kayla Holder. I live in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm currently a financial aid counselor at Midway University. Coding has always been a dream of mine. So when I heard about Code U, I knew it was the perfect opportunity to start chasing that dream. I chose Code U because it offered me accountability by meeting weekly, flexibility, and affordability. And the fact that it was virtual made it convenient to work with my busy schedule. I wanted to pursue coding because I enjoy the challenging aspect of it as well as the problem solving aspect. So I enjoy having a problem, thinking through it, and coming up with a solution. And like I said before, it's been a lifelong dream of mine. And I just didn't know how to get started. So why book banter? As for book banter, this project was inspired by my love for reading. I host a book club of friends where we meet weekly, and I've always enjoyed the idea of an online platform that meets together and discusses books. Book banter is made up of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Some challenges that presented itself while working on book banter was learning the applications that come with coding. So for this instance, it was learning how to use VS Code and learning all the ins and outs of the program. And this also required me to learn how to commit to GitHub and how to view the website on its live server. Learning the different languages that comes with coding. So for this instance, with the web development cohort, we focused on JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. But I know that as I progress in my coding career, I'll want to learn new languages as well. And lastly was making my site dynamic for other screens and other devices. In web development, they refer to this as media queries. So a media query is when you're able to code and view a website from a desktop, a tablet, and a smartphone. And when I was able to do that, I was very proud of the work I accomplished because I was able to see my website, my project from a new dimension. And this is what my website looks like from mobile view, and it is responsive. Something I was proud of when making book banter was coming up with the sign up form. So at the top of the page, you'll be able to enter your first name, last name, and email. And once you hit sign up, it'll take you to a free data. You can access the information by accessing it through a free data storage website called Pantry. And all you need to access that information is the API key, and you can see who's registered for book banter. I also worked with JSON arrays, and that made JavaScript for me less intimidating because I realized how it worked. So instead of hard coding every item onto the page, for instance, hard coding The Hobbit, Harry Potter, We Hunt the Flame, I was able to use this code right here. And using this code gave me a chance to just, all I have to do now is just insert the title of the book and insert the name of the author, and then also just present a link for the cover. Another part I enjoyed was working with the countdown script. While it was difficult, it challenged me. And I wanted my countdown script to be functional, but the big thing for me was making it aesthetically pleasing for viewers who wanted to access my website. I was also thrilled when I successfully integrated an API that displays new book quotes at the bottom of the screen. So for me, this gave a chance to have an interactive element to the website. So if you come onto the website and you refresh the page, a new book quote will display each and every time. What I enjoyed most about book banter was the sense of accomplishment I felt when I was able to tackle a new task, the continuous learning, being able to overcome a challenge, the creativity aspect of it, and it gave me the ability to help others. I want to say thank you to everyone at Code U and all of its mentors and volunteers, because without them, I know book banter would not be what it is today. If you want to reach me, all you have to do is reach me at my email at kholder92@gmail.com. My phone number is provided, as well as my LinkedIn and my GitHub. And since we have a moment, I want to take you to my website so you can see it firsthand. As you can see, this is another interactive element to the website when you highlight the titles on the page. Here's my sign-up code. my countdown script. This is the book we're currently reading. And this is the list of books we've read. And at the bottom, you can see the quote I mentioned earlier. And as I said, all you have to do is refresh the page and it'll show a new quote. And then lastly, you can see the mobile view of the website. You toggle right there and it can show you the headlines of each section of the web page. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who came in today and watched my presentation. And again, a big thank you to everyone at CodeU. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.